Where's Sheila? There's Sheila! What's up, chicken butt? Want a few pecks before I put it down? Yeah. Hey, good bird. He's a good chicken. Now, I have this out because I'm pretty sure he might attack me. Oh, he just shat right there. Come on, bird. Oh, you just like the corn. You don't like the oats, do you? You can come eat. What's up, big fella? I'm taunting you now. What's up? What's up, bird, huh? Ooh, here he goes. What's up? Oh, God! Yep. Jesus. Oh, I hope you're watching. Oh, shit. Ouch, that one hurts. Oh, God. That was straight bone to bone that time. Hey, hey. Look, that was your fault. You made me do it. I did walk up to you, though. My fault. Are you done? Huh? I'm gonna catch you if you keep on. You done? Are you good? Do I have to kick at you again? Are you good? You good, bro? You good, bro? Huh? Hey. Oh, God, you look like that dinosaur from Jurassic Park. You good? I backed up. You good now? Huh? Alright, as long as you don't run at me now. Hey. Oh, God! He came at me that time. Oh, Jesus! It's a whole lot of bone flying right there. Get back! God! I kicked him in the butt. Please back up. Come on. Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired yet? Come on. Look at this chicken. Come on, bro. Get back. Oh, that was your fault. You did it. Hey, hey. Back up, bro. He ain't scared at all. Look at him. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, shit. That one hurts. Hey. Come on before I kick you up high. God, look at him. Get back. Get back. Gotta say, get back. Yeah. Get back. Get a little too close for comfort, bro. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Get back. Shoo. Come on now. I gotta beat you. Otherwise, you'll start chasing everybody. Come on. Back up. Come on. That's it. Back up, bird. Come on. Ugh. Get moving. Come on. I'm gonna have to throw you now. Ugh. There you go. All I did was lift him up and throw him. Come on. Get moving. Get moving, bird. I'd hate to reach down and just catch your little butt. Focus on the feet. Yeah, focus on the feet. So I can grab you. Oh my God, that's a fat chicken. Yeah, focus on the feet. Yeah. Focus on the feet. Got him. Whew. Look at you. You pecker. This is the thing. Those are the things. At least he doesn't have bad spurs. Are you gonna chill out now? You done? I ain't scared of you. Where'd your girls go? I've never picked up this dude. Holy crap, he's actually, oh, they're over there. Look, your girls are over there. I'm gonna take you over there. I'm gonna put you down over there. And you need to stay over there. I work at Burger King, don't you see? I'll turn your ass into a McNugget. Yeah, chicky, 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 chicky. I got your pimp. Here, now I'm gonna throw you. Go on. There you go. See? That's what I deal with.